Hi, if the default camera app has disappeared from your Samsung phone, stopped working after an update, was accidentally deleted, or you simply want to reinstall the original Samsung camera app, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to download the original Samsung camera app. On my phone, however, I'll be updating the app instead of installing it, since it's already installed. The process is very similar, so you can easily follow along. If this video helps you restore or update the default Samsung camera app, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.